Welcome. Today we're going to talk about 6 traits that are attractive to women. 1. Being financially wise. It is a common misconception that wealth is the main trait that attracts women to men. In reality, women place a higher value on men who are smart with money and stable. Any amount of wealth is meaningless if a man is unable to manage his finances and does not know how to live within his means. This is due to the fact that being financially stable is essential if your relationship has great potential. It's an undeniably attractive quality in a man. Women prefer a man who can support himself, his family, and any financial difficulties. Otherwise, this will result in financial burdens and stress in the future. 2. Being responsible. Men are sadly perceived as the type to run away from responsibility, which is why this is one of the admirable qualities women look for in men they meet. A man is a keeper when he understands how to be responsible in everyday life. Women are drawn to men who have a sense of personal responsibility, know their limits, and make sensible life decisions. Furthermore, responsible men accept responsibility for their mistakes and are dependable in times of hardship. As a result, they are ideal candidates for a future husband and father. A man who is afraid of responsibilities, on the other hand, is untrustworthy and does not know how to hold others accountable for their wrongdoings. 3. Having leadership. If there are 2 characteristics that men are known for, it is leadership and assertiveness. A self-confident man knows how to get what he wants in life. This trait is closely related to leadership. This is the ability to direct a group of people appropriately. Women appreciate men who are confident in their ability to lead, especially in a relationship. Men who are unable to make a decision are viewed as weak and incompetent. They will not be regarded as a suitable romantic partner. Take note if you seem to be this type of man. 4. Being a good listener. Women place a high value on good listening skills because being heard without judgment shows that they are valued and respected. Women measure a man's listening skills based on his ability to know when to stop talking in a conversation and how well he remembers information that she has just told him. Even in terms of friendship, women prefer men who listen well. A good listener makes them feel more appreciated, acknowledged, and, most importantly, understood. 5. Being passionately driven. Many women find it attractive when a man has passion and drive. Women find it irresistible when they talk about their passions and know exactly what they want. Women are drawn to men who have dedicated themselves to something they love and are uncompromising in pursuing their passion, whether it is in their work, art, hobby, or relationship. Women, on the other hand, perceive men who lack drive and passion as boring, unproductive, and incapable of achieving anything in life. 6. Being honest. Honesty appears to be a rare trait in today's world, where liars and cheaters are everywhere. So, when it comes to what attracts women to men, it's genuine honesty. While there are no perfectly honest men, they prefer those who are honest when it counts. They prefer men who do not live false lives for the sake of appearances, and who do not succumb to delusions of grandeur, even if it means hurting her with the truth. It's a better option than comforting her with a lie. When men are naturally honest and authentic, it is an admirable reflection of their character. In conclusion, there are individual preferences when it comes to knowing what attracts women to men. But most women typically as a whole find these 6 traits attractive. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.